Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys feeling tonight? So I'm gonna be filming a skincare routine. I'm gonna show you guys how I get this fresh glowy skin. I'm gonna do cleansing. My daughter just like pushed me. Did you guys see that? Rude. I'm gonna use the La Roche-Posay cleanser. And this is the best cleanser, you guys. I love this cleanser. It really cleared up all of my acne. Like 99.9% of my face is clear because of that cleanser. I love it so much. So now we're all clean from the cleanser. Now we're going to use my Biore scrub. It's supposed to be like an imitation of Korean skincare, but I really just use it to just get the dead skin cells off of my face. And it's very brightening. So now I'm gonna just use the paper towel to dry my face. It's better to just use a paper towel because you don't want any bacteria from your washcloth or your towel. This is how you're gonna achieve clear skin. Use a paper towel. And make sure you wipe off that mascara from your eyes, girl. Now let's watch me trying to be a fake beauty guru. I'm so annoying. Anyway, I'm going to use the Freeman mask. It's the Sparkling Pear Pore Cleansing Mask. I love that mask because it very much cleans your pores. And also, it like tightens your skin. That's the bee's knees, guys. So, and it's not even expensive. It's like $5. You can get it at Five Below. You can get it at Ulta. You can get it at the drugstore. You can get that mask everywhere. So, now I'm going to use the lip scrub. You can actually get that lip scrub at Ulta. You can get that lip scrub from Ulta. It's also not even that expensive. I think that's like $4. It works really good because it gets off all of your dead skin. And I just washed my mask off. I had it on there for like 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, and you see how like my pores look really clean. So I'm definitely telling you guys, go get that mask. It works really good. Now I'm also gonna put you on this gem, this Dr. Dennis Gross extra strength daily peel pads. Gosh, that was a lot. Those are the bomb. Now they're very expensive. I got it from Sephora, and these things are just so expensive, but you know what, it really helped my skin. At first, you know, it's gonna feel like you're burning your face, but that's really how the product works when you're just using it, and then after a while it doesn't burn as much. I really love that product. If there's two things you're gonna take away from this video, you guys better get those peeling pads and the La Roche cleanser. I'm telling you, you guys will not regret it. You will barely have any acne if you guys use those two products. And that's how I got rid of a lot of my adult acne. This also helps with getting rid of like acne from wearing mask all day. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. And it also has 2 steps. So as you guys saw, I did step 1 And then I'm going to follow through with step 2. Now, the step 2 is really anti-aging. Step 1 is the exfoliating peel one, and then the step 2 is the anti-aging pad. And you want to use anti-aging products. You don't have to wait until you're like 50 years old. Whoever told you you have to wait till you're 50 is telling you a lie. If you want to keep your skin looking young and youthful and, you know, all these great, amazing things, you need to start using anti-aging products, period. Now I'm going to go in with a serum. I got that serum from TJ Maxx, and it has niacinamide and zinc. It's very important for you guys to use a serum because that's how you guys keep your smooth skin, and it also keeps it, you know, pretty clear. And niacinamide has amazing benefits, you guys. You guys really need to look up on what niacinamide does. And I just used that amount that the dropper collected, and I love that serum. It's good, and it just keeps me smooth, and it balances out my skin. So you guys definitely want to check out niacinamide as well. Now I'm going to use another serum. I know, so many serums. That serum actually helps you with any fine lines. That's just another anti-aging product. I don't use too much, but I just pat that in the skin. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. I only use that face cream at night. It is really good, actually, you guys. And I didn't even spend that much money on it. I think I spent like $8 on, maybe not even that much. But it's so hydrating. I love that. And I just massage upward, again, for anti-aging purposes. I go hard. So it's very important to massage upward. I normally use Laneige Sleeping Mask. It's a lip mask from Sephora, but I forgot it in the room. Sorry. Here is my skin. It has gotten so clear. A lot of you who know me know I suffer from stubborn acne. And those 3 products that I just raved about has worked wonders for my skin. I suggest you guys highly invest in that. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed my skin routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.